Hi everyone and welcome back. If you've ever wanted to personalize your Wix website by adding your own words beside an image, or maybe you just want to make your site pop with customized headers and unique text, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple yet essential process of editing text in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add, edit, and style text so your website not only looks great, but communicates just the way you want it to. Let's dive right in. So here we are in the Wix editor, and as you can see, I already have an image placed exactly where I want it. Now let's say I want to add a catchy bit of text right next to this image, maybe a title or a short message to grab guests' attention. The first thing we'll do is head over to the left-hand side of the editor and look for the Add Elements button. This is basically the toolbox of your Wix site. If you ever want to drop in extras like text, images, videos, or even buttons, this is where you'll go. Under Add Elements, you'll see a section called Quick Add. Here it's super straightforward. Look for the icon that looks like a capital T. That's Wix's shortcut for title text, which works great for headers or standout phrases. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, Wix will pop a text box onto your page. Now this is actually a very flexible step, so take a second to move the text box around and place it exactly where you want it, right beside your image for that polished, professional look. Next, to actually change what the text says, simply double-click right on the text box. This is going to open up the editing area, letting you type in anything you want. Don't overthink this part, whether you're adding a bold headline like "Welcome to my portfolio," a simple label, or even just your name. The important thing is that this is your space to communicate something unique to your site visitors. If you ever make a typo or want to tweak your words later, just double-click again and you can make adjustments at any time, so there's no pressure. Now here, where things get fun, customizing the look of your text. With the text box still selected, look to the right side of the editor for the inspector pane. In the design area, you'll see all sorts of options. You can change the style, pick from a bunch of different fonts, and adjust the font size. Maybe you want something bold and modern, or perhaps a more traditional, classic look. That's totally up to you. Wix also lets you play around with spacing, like line spacing and letter spacing, which can really make a difference if you want your text to breathe a little or feel more compact. You can tweak alignment as well, left, center, or right, so it works perfectly with your layout. And if you want a little extra flair, experiment with capitalization or even text effects until it matches your site's vibe. Before we wrap up, one super helpful feature: you can add a link to your text. Just highlight the words you want, and in the editor, look for the little link icon. This can be a game changer if, for example, you want your headline to send people straight to your shop, a featured article, or even an external site. You're not just making things look good, you're helping your visitors move around your site with ease. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to add and edit text in Wix, and even more importantly, how to make it look and function beautifully on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button. And if you have any questions or run into anything tricky while editing, just drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips and walkthroughs for making your website truly your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.